This is my weird trash found camel wicker things. See, they're from like the 70s. It's one on eBay now for like 150. This one is not in good shape. I had two, a bigger one. That one totally broke apart. This one's almost there. Somebody might want this for like 10 bucks. I don't know if it's fixable or not. I say it is. It's a little weaving. It kind of looks cool like that, I think. And I'm gonna glue the ear on now. Hopefully they buy it. I don't know. 5 would kind of suck. They're gonna be 10. I'll be happy with that. Decoration sell. But yeah, weird. 150 on eBay. Somebody wants. That crazy. Still for sale. Camels. They look goofy though. 70s. Yeah, you find the most weirder stuff in condo land. Really, this weird stuff. There's the guy. He needs some work. Spare parts. See if they take them. Turning it to 10. It's easier to move.